Hey friends, welcome back once again to some more tips and tricks on the smart remote for your Android TV. If you have watched my last video, then you will know that this is a voice remote. It can be used in infrared mode as well as in Bluetooth mode or both. And if it is in infrared mode, then you have this red light you can see which blinks, and the same thing turns to blue when you are using in Bluetooth mode. But if you watch my last video, you will know how to unpair Bluetooth to save some battery, because this remote is quite power hungry. I feel that even when you have disconnect Bluetooth from this remote, you have unpaired it, it still keeps scanning and the battery drains out very fast. It's pretty unfortunate, but that's how it is. So to circumvent this problem, I tried out a few things, few soft remotes, and I'm just going to demonstrate to you how to use that. Now behind your remote you will find that there is a model number. At least for my View TV you can find that it is ERF3169V. So keeping the remote aside, now if I go to Amazon and give a quick search, so there are various remotes for my View TV that's available. So some are lookalike, some may be original, but in most cases it is you can see that it's written no remote number without voice. And the one with voice which supports the mic, that costs you probably 2,500. Rest costs you somewhere in the range of 500, 600, 700. So it makes no sense buying such an expensive remote. Rather, we can, in this video I'll show you some tweaks. The first one is to do with using some USB microphone devices. So for my Raspberry Pi, I had bought this USB mic. It's not very sensitive, but nevertheless this is pretty useful for most of the functions that I'm going to demonstrate to you today. So without wasting further time, I will connect this in the USB port on the left hand side of my TV. So I have now connected it to the USB port, and now I'll show you that even without Bluetooth being paired, so I'll just exit Kodi. So as soon as I click on Google Assistant, you will see the pop-up, hold the menu button to pair the Bluetooth remote. So the voice function through the mic, which goes from here, only works when it is paired in Bluetooth mode, as you might have seen in my last video. If not, do give a quick browse on my previous video on the View 43PM TV model tips and tricks which I have explained. So now I have plugged in the mic. This is not paired in Bluetooth mode. I just go to the search option. I just click an OK over here, and I say, what's the time?
It's 12:27 a.m.
Okay, so you can see that even without the mic of the remote, using the mic of the remote, I'm still able to use it perfectly, the voice features, by plugging in a USB mic. So the better quality mic you have, the better it works. So other than using this mic, now I'm recording this video in the late night, so there's less of interference from background noise, so it hears very quickly. Else probably I'll have to just go close to the TV and speak behind for the microphone to pick up the correct word that I'm spelling out. But there is also another option. So I have a Lenovo full HD USB camera which has got a stereo microphone array. Now this can be used for video conferencing on the Android, and you can just do a Google search and you will find many videos that shows you how to use this device for any kind of video conferencing. But for this demo purpose, I'm not going to show you video conferencing feature. Rather, I will plug in this microphone once again behind the TV, and once this microphone is connected, you will once this camera is connected, you will see that there is a white light that glows over here, which indicates that this is working, and there are two microphone inputs, stereo arrays. Now I will give the same try once again. Now I just go to the search option using my remote and just click OK. What's the time?
It's 12:30 a.m.
This works perfectly fine. So the advantage of this is that you need not buy an expensive remote to just use the audio feature. Now this is to do with your USB microphone, but other than that, I will also demonstrate to you another feature, which is the soft remote. So when you by default on your Android, you will have Android Play movies installed. This is so Google Play Movies. So Google Play Movies, first time when you start it, it says Play Movies and TV is now Google TV. I just click on Launch Google TV. Okay, and it says Welcome to Google TV. Just clicking on Next, it asks for which are the services I would like to use. So I just select Prime Video, Hotstar, and later on I can add rest of them. Okay, so this is the main screen of Google TV, and if you see that there is when you have the phone and the TV connected over the same Wi-Fi network, you will have a floating button called TV remote. So this only works if you have an Android TV being connected at home. So when you connect this, it asks for certain permissions about location. So I say only while using this app, and you can see that it's detected my TV, which is Smart TV. Okay, so as soon as I click that, it asks for a pairing request. So I enter the pairing code 9B0EEA and click on pair. So it says that Realme phone is now paired. Now you can actually use this phone as a remote. So you can use it for swiping. You can go down, you can click the home button over here, you have the back button, then you have the mute, unmute, volume up signs, and the best part is you have the soft Google Assistant button. So I can just click over here. Let me first allow. So I can just say, what's the time? Okay, it's detected something else, so I just click home once again. So I'll first disconnect the USB camera so that there is no audio being passed over from here. So I don't have any USB mics that's connected. I once again click the Google Assistant button over here. What's the time?
It's 12:34 a.m.
So you can see that in the worst case scenario, if your remote were to go bad, you can use the Google Play Movies, which is now rebranded as Google TV, the floating remote. Now here you have certain issues. The main issue is it doesn't have a full size keyboard, soft keyboard. So while you can type everything over here, but if you want to enter numbers, you don't have dedicated number keys. So what's the problem with that is when you are using Kodi and you want to switch channels using channel numbers, you don't have dedicated number keys for the same. So let me give you a demo of the same. So using my remote, I just open Kodi, I go to all channels. Now I just switch, so I play any channel, and if I want to, so I use a D-pad control. So using D-pad control, I can go channel up, channel down, and I can also use a channel number. So I have to click on the numeric key over here, so say channel number 23. So you can see 23 just jumps. Yeah, okay. Similarly channel number 1. And so while I have options of entering numbers over here, but I can now just quit this. So this remote is useful, the default Google TV remote, but there is a better option which I have explored. So I will show you that. So I come to the home screen, I just come back from here, and you will find that there is another app which I have installed, Android TV remote from Codematics. So first time when you install it, it says that there is a connectivity issue which needs to be resolved because Google has updated the services. So we need to go to settings on the TV, because if I just skip over here, you will see that it keeps searching for the Android TV, but it doesn't get detected like it did seamlessly with the Google TV's soft remote. For this to work, as it's said during the splash screen, it says go to settings. So using my TV remote, I go to settings, then I select apps. In apps, I go to select all apps, and here if you scroll down, sometimes it gets listed on the top, sometimes there's an issue. So I just go to show system apps, and here you will find the Android TV remote service. You just need to open this and click on uninstall updates. It prompts for a confirmation. Just click on OK. It just uninstalls the updates. Now let us open the Android TV remote once again. Click OK, and here you go. You see that now once I have uninstalled the update, the smart TV is detected. I click on smart TV, it asks for a pairing code. I just enter 571A and click on pair. So my phone is now paired. I will So here this app is pretty intuitive. So you have dedicated play, fast forward, volume plus, volume minus, then channel up, channel down, a microphone, then a mouse option. You can explore these things. So it's a full-sized remote you have, and if you want to use numeric keys, just click on this, the numeric dial pad, and you get the full numeric keypad. So I will fire up Kodi once again for you. So I'm not going to demonstrate to you the mic features of the assistant which I showed you earlier. So here let me start any of the channels, just like I showed you a little while earlier. And now if I want to jump to any channel, I just enter channel number 23. It jumps. And then again channel number 1. Yes, and I just click on back to exit it. So new controller has been detected. Configurations can be done anytime. So it tells you that a new remote is detected. So as of now I don't want to configure, so I just click a no. And once you're done, you can just click a back. And click the home button, and you can exit it. So this is the Android TV remote by Codematics. I will also show you how the mic works. I click on the I need to give the permissions allow. Click the microphone over here. What's the time? Yes, it's detected right now. You can't hear it because I've muted it. So, and you can also turn off the TV, the screen from here. If I press, it works perfectly fine. It is now paired. So this is now more of you have seen the IR remote, you have seen the Bluetooth remote, and this is the Wi-Fi remote which works fine. So you can try it on your own with your spare gadgets that you have. I demonstrated using the mic, using the USB microphone dongle, and also soft remote. Now the only challenge you have is in case you have uninstalled the update for the Android TV service. Next time you want to again turn on Google TV, it will not work. So it shows the option of TV remote, but it is unable to find any Android TV devices because we have uninstalled the service. So you either can use the Google TV, or you can use the Android TV remote by Codematics. Hope this video helps you in deciding what kind of soft remote you will use to operate your TV in case of the worst case scenario that your physical remote goes back. If you have discovered any other thing which are interesting related to the Android TV, do leave your comments in the comment section below. Thanks, have a lovely TV viewing experience. Bye.